In this video, let's talk about shutter priority in Canon cameras. Shutter priority, what is it? And most importantly, where is it on a Canon camera? On Canon cameras, shutter priority is shown as TV on your main dial. TV stands for time value. When we set the camera in the shutter priority mode, we set the shutter speed and the camera automatically computes the aperture value depending on what the ISO has been set to. So why and when would we use the shutter priority mode? For various reasons. When we are clicking birds in flight, we want a fast shutter speed to freeze that action. Various other wildlife moments also require a fast shutter speed to freeze the action. On the other hand, we use slower shutter speeds to click pictures like these, where we are showing the trails of cars and motion of stars. If you're doing street photography in the TV mode, you want to set your shutter speed at least as fast as 1/250th of a second, or somewhere around 1/500th of a second, depending on how quickly you're walking around, to stand a better chance of clicking sharp pictures on the move. When you're clicking action, you would need to judge what shutter speed would be necessary to freeze that action and set it accordingly. You can set your ISO according to the available light or just set it to auto. When clicking pictures like these with slow shutter speeds, we invariably use lower ISO values and mount the camera on a tripod. Since the camera decides the aperture value, we have no control over the depth of field. What that means is that we have no control over how out of focus our background goes. So if you want total control over your pictures, you want that fast shutter speed, but at the same time, you even want that background to go out of focus, it's important to learn how to use your camera in the manual mode. Please have a look at my video which talks about the different camera modes and which mode is best suited for wildlife photography. You will be able to integrate that information with this, and that will help you to click better pictures.